Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your faculty Sudarshan and your success mentor for CMA Inter Examination. As we are doing a paper series analysis video, in this video we are going to discuss on corporate accounting and auditing, your paper number 10. In that paper number 10, we have taken a student paper who has scored 85 marks. First, before getting into the main video, I just want to tell you we are having a free mentoring group, which is for December 2025 exam. If you want to join, you can WhatsApp me at 9043971982. In this WhatsApp number, you can WhatsApp me. We will give you the link, or also in the description below, you will be having the link. Next, we'll first take this question paper. This question paper will be having an MCQ of 15 question, which is mostly a past paper question, which is a repeated question. The student has scored an MCQ, hooray, 30 on 30. Listen, it's not the number which I changed. It has been what has been marked, what is being given from the ICMI. Just 30 on 30. So your mark will surge like anything. Now, come to that suggest answers we will discuss. Along with exam answer paper, each one by one we will discuss. And finally, we'll come to examiner comments and my opinion on your preparation. We'll quickly choose that overall perspective of how the paper went. In June 2025, the paper has been, every attempt the paper will be tested for 128 mark. In that 128 mark, 30 mark is an MCQ. 98 marks will be a descriptive plus practice question. In that you should attend for 70 marks. So that 70 plus 30, you will be attending a paper for 100 mark. In that 98 mark, 6 questions is a descriptive question. 6 into 7, you will be getting 42 marks of descriptive. On that, the particular student have attended 4 question. Practical question, we are having 7 question. On that 7 question, we'll be having the student have attended 5 question. All the 5 question is from the corporate accounting, because basically that is only a practical pass. So this is an entire analysis. 2A, 2B, 3. 2 questions he attended, 5A, 5B. So 3 questions overall she attended. On that, she scored, out of 42, she scored 37 marks. Next, 4 questions from auditing theory of total 28 marks. The student, who is an all India rank holder, has scored 18 marks. And she lost only 10 marks in auditing theory and lost 5 marks in corporate accounting. So losing of mark in corporate accounting will always be less as compared to losing of marks in auditing. Why, sir? The losing of marks in auditing, it depends on the writing, keywords, everything is to be written. But when it comes to a corporate accounting, it's only about the practical problems. We'll see how the paper went. I just want to quickly grab through. Third question, we'll directly take the third question. The third question, it's a following trial balance has been given of A Limited, and the statement of P&L and the balance sheet, and the clear instructions has been given. Notes to account should form part of your answer. Then you should write the notes. See how much the student have put that efforts. Listen, third question, they have given a note. First, they started with statement of profit and loss. Sir, first I want to write statement of profit and loss. Will come up to the question. Notes to accounts to the balance sheet. 9 notes only. The exam committee, the answer, suggested answers is given. And then they prepare the balance sheet. Now we'll go to that student. The student have written the first one as a balance sheet, which is correct, sir. Writing of balance sheet is correct because financial statements of A Limited perfectly written. As per Division 1, relevant provisions of Companies Act 2013 is given. Schedule 3, go to Schedule 3. In the Division 1 of the Companies Act, Part 1 is always a balance sheet. Part 2 is a statement of P&L. So that's why the student have written, as per my instruction, as per my guidance, the student have written first balance sheet. The balance sheet of A Limited as on 31st March 2025. You should have a proper mentor to guide you in every way. So equity and liability, shareholder, share capital. Note number 1 will always be a share capital. Resource and surplus should be a note number 2. Note number 1, note number 2. The exam suggested answers is given other current liability only, note number 3. But that student have taken other current liability, note number 3. And then note number 4 will be they have taken for tangible. The student have taken for short-term provision itself. No matter what, it is doesn't match with the answer key. If the student have written correctly, not like financial accounting, in this the institute have taken a different perspective. For financial accounting, even the steps are wrong, even the steps are correct, they are not even allotted certain marks. We already posted that video. You can listen that. But when it comes to corporate accounting, institute have taken a reasonable care to give a marks. Listen. Note number 5, PPE. The student have written property, plant and equipment. But as per the answer key, it is only tangible asset. Inside that, the student have directly written property, plant and equipment. Each and everything has been written. First trading account, and then part 2, statement of profit and loss, statement of profit and loss of the company, revenue from operation. Everything has been clearly written. And check with that answer key. What is the total? 87,60,000. Contingent liability of proposed dividend bills discounted is given. 87,60,000. 87,60,000. Everything has been written clearly. Therefore, there is a contingent liability of 1,20,000 of bills discounted. Dividend declared is not adjusted in the final accounts as it is declared after the balance sheet date, but it is disclosed as per the board's report, as per the accounting standard. Every instructions has been clearly written. Now, see how many notes the student have taken enormous effort to write. Note number 1, note number 2 for resource and surplus, note number 3. See how beautifully the student have presented. Note number 4, note number 5. Here and there they are scribbling, some mistakes has been there. But see how many marks the institute have given. Out of 14 marks, institute have given 13 marks. This much of effort is required to get 13. And the student have written 8 notes. So that 13 marks has been awarded. Now come to question number 5A. 5A, the student have taken as per Ind AS a basic EPS and diluted EPS. The formula has been clearly written. The sum has been done. Whatever the computation, the formula should be written fully. You should not write NP, IOD minus something. Don't do that. Write it fully and write it fully to grab full marks 7 on 7. Now come to 5B. 5B is about again a cash flow statement. Studying of cash flow statement should be from the CA material, not from CMA material. And schedule 3 is also from the CA material, not from CMA material. See how beautifully the heading has been separately given. You should use the term from for positive figure. You should use the term negative. You should use the term used in. Forgottenly, the student have written from. Then some intuition speaks that sir told me that if it is a negative, you will always use the word used. So the student has take it out and use the term used. Okay. So everything has been clearly written. It is not necessary that you should write add, less. It is not mandatory. Just put the sign. And everything working notes 7 on 7. If you write like this, I say will love that student to give any marks. Listen. Now come to question number 8A. 8A is about again auditing. We'll go to the answer key now. Okay, for cash flow statement, I have not went for the answer key. Okay, because this is what only the cash flow statement, all the answers match everything. So 70,000, 70,000, 70,000 the student have given with full mark. Now come to question number 8A, I guess. 8A is about a educational institution, right? For that educational institution, what has happened? The particular student have written. First, we'll check with that answer key. We'll randomly run through the answer key. Examine of trust deed, examine of minutes of the meeting, verification of tuition fee, verification of admission fee, other fees and receipts, verification of salary and wages, associated expenditure of associated with special events, voucher of refund of caution deposit, verifications of assets and liabilities, verifications of financial information. Understanding of constitution. The student have given us some subheading. Trust deed, point covered. Examination of minute. Everything, each and everything has been written perfectly. Budget of the institution, some wrong point has been done. Vouching of receipts. All the vouching techniques, all the receipts you have the particular student have listed down. All the vouching of payments the student have listed down. Examination of assets and liabilities. Examination of financial statement. All this the student have written. The student have got 6 marks out of 7 marks. Means you are writing only 5 points and 6 points and asking for 7 to 8 marks by one line. Don't expect from the institute. Always write it fully. Always accept conceptually. See, pre-COVID, post-COVID, the entire CMA examination pattern, level of difficulty, everything changes. Understand the reality. Now, come to 8B. 8B, how beautifully the student have written. Right of a company auditor. Okay, rights of a company auditor. As per relevant with section 143 subsection 1, 143 subsection 8, subsection 8, 146, 145, 145 to be read with. Audit committee, report head, signing of audit report, receive notice, receive to the report to the branch audit, inspect of branch office, obtain information and explanation, inspect books, attend the meeting, indemnify the auditor. See how the points, inspect the books points is covered, ask information from the employees, inspect branch accounts books, information from the branch auditor, signing of audit report, right to attend general meeting, right to receive notice, right to be indemnified. All the exact points are covered so that the student had got 7 on 7. Now, come to question number 2A. Again, the student have switched over to question number 2A. I guess question number 2A is about, yes, first chapter which is from module 1. For module 1 also follow CA material. You can study from CMA material, no issue. But enough from now onwards, the institute has also been testing from CA material, whatever the problems are there. You should do more questions from CA material as well. Learn the concept from CA, do questions in CA material, and then come to CMA material and just skip through that questions. Now come to bank to preference share application to capital. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 journal entries has been there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Comprehensively, the student have written that some journal entries, some mistakes are wrong, some are wrong. So only one adjustment, 1 mark has been deducted. So 6 on 7 will be granted. If you want, I can just visualize it. You can just see and compare with the answer key. Take a screenshot of both and compare it and learn it. Now come to question number 2B, guys. Question number 2B, which every student in the YouTube, some faculties also told this is a very, very difficult question, yeah. Nobody can score a mark from this. It's a very difficult question. It's a new time they are asking. No, never, guys. It's about concept, right? Ledger is very easy. Understanding of journal is more than sufficient to post it on the ledger. See, the student have done one mistake. For that, they deducted 3 marks. See that. What is the credit side? Balance brought down is 15 lakh. Profit and loss is 210. Interest on debenture is 1 lakh 35. 15 lakh, 1 lakh 35, 210. All the things are there. Wait, I will come. Now come to 9% redemption fund investment account. Yes. Redemption fund investment account. Yes. Balance brought down is 15 lakh. Bank account is 21 lakh and 6 lakh. See, guys, if you just close this ledger, obviously this is going to be a balancing figure. This balancing figure you can take it to that account. But what institute is expecting from you for this 21 lakh minus 15 lakh, they are expecting a working note. For that, they are giving allotting 1 mark. It's having no point on that. Come on, guys. This point is even the student have written clearly 21 lakh, 15 lakh, 6 lakh, the profit and loss of investment. The student have forgot to carry forward that. So they are given only 4 on 7. but they can give 5 on 7. Even they can deduct 2 marks for working note if they feel it is really necessary. But actually it is not necessary. It is not mandatory. Already basically maybe the student may have written balancing figure here to have more better understanding. Okay. Now come to 7A. I guess 7A should be our last question. 7A, they have tested acceptance of deposit, statutory errors, reporting from CARO. The student have studied CARO. Some points, whatever clause 5, clause 7, statutory dues points are correct, so they given 1 mark. And reporting of fraud points is correct, so they given 1 mark. Only the student has scored 2 marks on that out of 7. It's clearly visible that the student have not studied this CARO perfectly. So whatever she knows, she written. Come to 7B. 7B about, I guess it is about NEFRA, basic concepts of NEFRA, and then constitution of NEFRA point only covered, structures of NEFRA, functions of NEFRA, duties of NEFRA is covered. But what are the points they have given? I guess just hold on for a moment. Yes, enforcement and compliance standards of auditing. That's are the points covered. See, constitution of NEFRA, functions and duties of NEFRA. That's the only points they have given. But the student have given somehow some points, so they given 3 marks. That's fine, because I always tell to my students to focus more on corporate accounting more and auditing less, because corporate accounting, out of, maybe you may tell 50 marks they are testing, sir. Out of 50 marks you can easily grab 44 marks or 40 marks worst case. In auditing, if they ask for 50 marks, the possibility of getting is 30 marks. Even still, you can get 70, but I will always prefer corporate accounting over auditing. For me, corporate accounting is greater than auditing, for my understanding. So, it last moment, the student have given some heading. So, that's it with respect to corporate accounting. And if you want to join with my corporate accounting classes in December 2025 attempt, you can go to the website Harry Academy. If you want to if you want to learn it in the right way, then join in my classes. See, corporate accounting classes is just 399. That access will be there till your exams. 1.5 views. Before purchasing, read the terms. It has been clearly given which material we have used, everything. Then it will be access till December exam. Hours of classes is 50. What syllabus will be covered? AS3 fully. Schedule 3, AS3C, 12 hours of classes is there, almost 13 hours. Schedule 3 is 14 hours. Buyback 2 hours. Electricity company 2 hours. Banking company 5 hours. Issue and share for feature 8.5 hours. Rights issue 1.3 hours. 1.3. Bonus issue 2.5 hours. Redemption of preference shares 1.5. Redemption of debentures 2.7. Almost 52 hours. Classes will be there that you can easily enroll and enjoy the classes. Along with it, 1 or 2 mock tests will also be included in this 399 itself. If you want, you can purchase it happily. With this signing off of Sudarshan, have a great day, guys. It's not over. Wait. Corporate accounting and auditing, they are given examiner comments. What is given? It is to be appreciated that this is a scoring paper, and this must be to be endeavor of the candidates to have more intense study to learn the basic concept first. The student should practice to solve more practical questions to get accustomed and comfortable to answer such question. Basically, they're telling about the debentures question and the question number 2A and 2B. They should practice to improve the presentations of their answer. The student should focus more on the writing with theoretical point wise with reference to appropriate sections of that, with respect to that last question which we have discussed, that along with that CARO also, NEFRA also, that audit company auditor rights also. And general answers should be avoided. Read carefully the instruction for the practical questions and answer accordingly. This is the points I want to convey. Again, with the signing off of Sudarshan, have a great day.